Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. In today's episode, you will see why we all love bikers. A lot of people have a bad opinion about them, and hopefully this episode may change that. Sit back and enjoy. This is not something you see too often, people. Biker saw a guy just laying in the middle of the road, so he decided to do the right thing. Check it out.
Почему лежишь, а? Ты что, ты пьяный или ты устал?
Я несколько пьяный.
Я не знаю. Держись. Давай, обмати. Хочешь, я тебя...
This guy said he was tired and therefore he was on the road, but that's not it. He seems visibly shaken up by something. You don't just lay down in the middle of the road when you're tired. Whatever the case may be, I wish him a speedy recovery. Spoiler alert, you're about to see lots of cute kids in their cute Halloween costumes. On top of that, the biker went out to spread some positivity and he got a piece of the atmosphere on camera, just for us to enjoy.
Maybe. How's it going? Actually, Mom, you guys are age 21?
Yeah.
You guys drink alcohol?
Yeah.
I got some questions for the parents in here.
I was saying, we just had
I got some questions for you then.
Wow.
I got some for the kids too. Come here, kids.
Thanks. Wait, what's that?
Halloween. I got some stuff for the parents too, or I got
Thank you.
some gifts from these.
Beef patty.
What is? I don't know what it is, but thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, bud. I got you. Love your costume. Happy Halloween. Age of 21. Do you drink alcohol?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I think I got something special for you then.
I like your costume. Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
And they're just like,
Hi.
and I'm like,
Yeah.
come on, where's the sugar rush?
All right, put them on the bike. Here you go.
Y'all almost.
Thank you, Spider-Man.
A bike on GTA.
You do? For the age of 21 by chance? Do you drink alcohol? Happy Halloween. They got something special for the parents too. Yeah?
What's this for?
Look on the back. What's it say on there? Well, guess what's it? You know what this is?
Hey, camera?
And this?
Camera.
Oh. Ah, thank you. Come here. I got some candy. I am. You might be on there, maybe. Hi. Right here. Hey, Mom. Are you over the age of 21?
Yes.
You drink alcohol?
Yes.
I got something special for you then. Oh, you got one right there, and I got some more. Here, you want a rose instead? Happy Halloween. You drink alcohol? I got like one more thing for someone over 21.
Trick or treat.
Happy Halloween.
There is no limit to this biker's positivity, warmth and kindness. It's not the first time he does something cool and kind for complete strangers. In fact, he likes doing it quite frequently, and his channel is full of epic and positive videos. We'd recommend you to check him out and support his work. After all, the world needs more people like him.
Yeah. I like you.
Thank you.
Yep. Happy Halloween. Yep.
Oh, man.
That's right. That's right. Have a good one.
That's fine, brother.
Happy Halloween. Hey, you roll down your window. Happy Halloween.
Oh, look at his head.
What's up?
Right on his own. Just, he loves motorcycles. What the hell are you?
I'm a chicken. I'm handing these out to celebrate Halloween. There's a Subway gift card, a couple bracelets, and a sticker in here.
You're not.
Yeah.
That is so sweet.
Do you want this?
Hey,
You're welcome.
thank you so much. That is awesome.
Yep.
Oh.
Hey.
Look at the chickie.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Be safe, man.
Yep.
Gas cap not closed properly? Don't worry, driver, this biker is here to help out. And of course, add another reason why we love them so much.
Your petrol cap is open. Shut, brother. Have a good one.
Kids were really into the bike that was right in front of them, and the biker noticed how curious they were immediately. A lot of bikers would ignore it, but not this one here. Check out how he brightened their day. The traffic lights were not working, and this biker decided to do something about it. He was cool enough to put himself in a bit of a dangerous spot just to help navigate the traffic. It was a bit reckless, but heads off for doing it. This biker did not stop on one good deed. He decided to take it to a whole other level on that day. Wherever he saw the slightest chance of helping someone or doing something positive, he embraced it with open arms. Check it out. Plastic bag found its way onto the road, and it was an eyesore for the biker who just had to do something about it. How can you even consider sitting behind the wheels when your mirror is all bent in? This is unbelievable.
Joãozão, seu mochila tá aberto aqui, hein, brother? Obrigado, nada, tamo junto.
There was some trash on the road, and as soon as the biker laid his eyes on it, he couldn't stay silent. There are not a lot of people left out there who think about stray cats and dogs like this biker does. He bought some cat food and went straight over to feed them.
Fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy.
There was a lost puppy on the road. It was on a leash and had a collar around its neck. Biker pulled over and somehow managed to catch her. Now the real trouble begins. You gotta find the owner.
You're so sweet. Hey, look at you. Where's your home? Hey, where's your home? So he might be from that house or this house, but he's just a pup. Look at your big paws. Hey, look at your big paws. Yeah, we gotta find your home. Come on, come on. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you know who belongs to this? Is he yours?
Yeah.
Oh.
Where was he?
He was on the corner there.
Oh my god, thanks so much. Thanks, man.
Hey, no problem.
Appreciate it a lot.
No problem. Yeah, he looked like he was just kind of lost, just sitting on the corner there, so.
Yeah, he was. I don't even know how he got out. Thanks, man. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no worries.
Biker saw a homeless person with a dog, and he got emotional because his parents had a dog as well. So he decided to do something cool for this guy. Check it out.
How's it going, man? My name is Matthew. I seen you. Oh, sorry. I seen you right now with the dog, man, and my parents has dogs, so he said I can help a little bit. There you go, man. Let's go feed the dogs, bro. Yeah. You have a good one, man. Take it easy.
It's Christmas Eve, and there are not a lot of people who understand the point of holidays like this. It's all about sharing, helping the ones in need, and being compassionate overall. This biker gets the point, and in this clip, you'll understand as well.
Here, some food and water and stuff, some candy.
Yeah, but please, if it's for you and you're, what are you gonna eat or something? Are you gonna be like hungry in a couple minutes or something like that?
Oh no, I'll be okay.
You sure?
Yeah, it's a holiday, Jeff. It's about sharing.
But I can't believe it.
Yeah, no worries. Happy holidays.
You sure you don't want nothing to eat right now?
Oh no, I'm fine.
A lot of people don't like the idea of filming while doing something kind for the homeless, and I kinda understand why, but there's another side to it. Perhaps someone else might get inspired after watching a video like this and do something similar as well. Either way, this biker's intentions are pure. Enjoy.
Oh man, guys, I hope we find him. And with winter coming up, I'm pretty sure he'll appreciate it. Hey, Ben? How you doing, bro? You don't know me, but I see you around here.
Thank you.
I'm Brian.
Brian.
Yeah, how you doing?
Good.
I know it rained the other day and
It was nice.
it was nice, but I brought you some stuff if you want.
Okay, thank you. God bless you.
Yeah, of course. And you can actually keep this backpack.
Are you sure?
Yeah, dude. You can keep the backpack so you can carry stuff around.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Is there a shelter around here you stay at, or?
You know those shelters are not nice.
Oh, okay.
They don't help you with work and stuff. But you know, you can stay there. I stayed there for like 3 months.
All right, well, Ben, you take care of yourself. Do you need anything? You're okay?
Yep.
Okay, you take care of yourself, Ben. Take care. God damn, dude, I'm so glad I waited.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one as well. And who knows, maybe you got inspired to go out and help the ones in need. I'm sure that there are a lot of people like that in your area. If you like this episode, please don't hesitate to leave a like and hit the subscribe button because it helps us a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and be kind.